All right, welcome back to video number 2. I know it says math journal page, but today we're going to be on a separate sheet. It is uploaded as a template and you should be able to write on it after this video. This just gives you instructions on how to complete this assignment. Okay, it says how long is a morning? Remember, we just solved how long is math class. So this is going to be very similar. All right, let's begin. It says write the times. We start at 8:15 and that's a.m. in the morning. Then we go to lunch at 11:05 a.m. in the morning. Use at least one strategy to find how long you are in school in the morning. Show how you solve the problem. Okay, just like Sheena on the previous video, we could draw a number line. You could also use a clock at home and look at the little and big hands and count how many hours and minutes it would be to go around the clock and get to our starting and end point. But I'm going to show you how to start our line graph to figure out how many hours and how many minutes. Okay, we're going to first start by drawing our straight line. Okay, and at the beginning, we want 8:15 because that was the start of our day. And at the end, we want 11:05 because that is when we are going to lunch. So we want to find this distance. How long from 8:15 to 11:05? 8:15. What should my first hop be to get to that 11:05? I don't want to keep jumping by hours because, if I keep going, 8:15, 9:15, 10:15, 11:15. And now I am over my end time. So that's not going to work. How should we get there? Well, let's bring it to a nice, even hour. How many minutes to get to our next hour? If it's 8 o'clock, we want to get our next one to 9 o'clock. If you said 45 minutes, I think that is an awesome start. So I would write a 45 and I would put M for minutes or MIN if you have space because that is our abbreviation. And then once we hop, right? If this is my arrow, I just hop to this point. We always write down our new time. So now it is 9 o'clock. I want you to try and solve the rest of these hops, or if you choose to do it on a clock, to solve how long was your morning, how many hours and how many minutes. Once you have completed that and you have answers for this bottom, remember we're writing it in our template today that's attached to this, then you can go and submit it to your teacher. All right, thanks for sticking along.